Take a picture. You gotta take a picture of me? Take a picture of me.
Oh, is that a good, is that a cute picture?
Take a picture of me.
Is that a cute picture?
I got hair in my mouth.
Why?
Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Call mommy. Call mommy.
Give her your phone and I'll call her.
What? Here, Betty.
How many phones you got?
What?
So she wrote the big game for help. Our first step is to meet Katie. Mike has no idea that any of this.
Why you hang her up? Is that Maddie? Maddie got chocolate on her face? You're supposed to answer the phone when it rings, Maddie.
Here, leave it closed. Wait till it rings and then you can open it. Wait.
Wait.
Focus.
Annabelle.
Stay. Read.
Open it. See who it is.
Say hello.
Say hello. Oh.
You're supposed to say hello. Wait till it rings and then say hello. Wait until it rings.
Answer it.
Say hello.
Say hello.